Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, guess what? We got another version of What's in the Box. I believe this is version 7. That's right, version 7 of What's in the Box. And if you've been following along, you know I've been giving away some pretty good prizes. I've given away a ton of silver during these What's in the Box GAWs or giveaways. And so, yeah, these are fun. I enjoy them. I think you guys enjoy them. I mean, why not? Why not spend some time guessing what's in the box and winning some free silver? Hey, who doesn't like free silver, right? So let me just show you. This box is one of the standard boxes. That's stuff I get off the internet, off of eBay. I'm not gonna flip it over because it's got the address label on it, but it's a standard size box. Could be really heavy. Wow. Or could be really light, not really sure. But it is a box and it's got something coin related in it. So what I need to know is what is in the box. I'm probably not going to give you any hints to start off with, because when I give hints, people usually solve it pretty quick. And as you know, I usually don't make it go too long. I usually start giving hints if nobody can get it. But I need to know exactly what is in this box. Well, on this one, I'm just going to leave it at that. You need to tell me what's in the box. I need to know the item, and I need to know the year of the item. So the item and the year. All right. So I look forward to all your guesses. So I'm sure some of you are probably asking at this point, so what am I going to win if I guess what's in the box version 7? What happens if I guess the final answer first? Because remember, it'll be the first person to guess the final answer, and at my discretion, at what I see on the comment page, whoever guessed first. So if you guess first, you're going to win this Bicentennial Washington quarter. And I'm sure you're saying, hey, Talking Bullion, Bicentennial quarters, they made millions and millions of those. And I would respond, well, yes, you are right, they did. And they were recorded, so they were kept, quite a lot of them were kept, that's for sure. But take a closer look at this one. Look down on the right side here, and I will show you, let me get my knife out, use it as a pointer. I will show you, take a closer look, right up in here, there is an S on there, right? There it is. So, what that S means, San Francisco Mint, there it is. And what it also means is it's 40% silver. And not only is it 40% silver, it is a proof coin. So Bicentennial silver proof coin is what you're going to win if you guess what is in the box. And I think you can see, if I get on the right angle here, proof means that the Washington's head would be frosted. And there's some good shots here. You can see where the background fields are shiny, but Washington is kind of frosty looking. That's a proof coin. And if we flip it over, look at the little drummer boy, even though it's really not a boy, that's what people call him. You can see that the little drummer boy is frosted as well, and you can see the mirror background. So yeah, this is a proof coin. This is a Bicentennial 40% silver proof coin. So if you are the first one to guess what's in the box, and it's going to be at my discretion, it's going to be the first one to guess in the comments, you're going to win this beautiful proof Bicentennial Washington quarter, 40% silver. And you can see here, somebody put it in a flip, but it's also in a capsule. Can you see that capsule? This thing's so shiny, I gotta watch get myself in there. Can you see that it's in a plastic capsule there? I mean, I probably would have kept it in proof, or in the flip, but yeah, it's already in a capsule. So anyway, this is what you will win if you guess what is in the box, version 7. So that's it for now. I'm not going to give you any clues at this point. I'm going to wait for you to start guessing And it is one item, I will tell you that. It is one item, and I need to know the year, and I need to know the item. Let's move my talking bullion around. Nope, that didn't work out very well. Just trying to give it some distance on there to have some angle on there so you can see a little bit better. I'll move my talking bullion around back in its prime spot. So yeah, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. I look forward to your guessing. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and hit that button now. And also, check out these two videos that just popped up. Got some great content out there. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.